Everyone, welcome back to Bird Hat Pig Vlogs. My name is Red, and today we are in the soccer field. There's not really much to see here. There's a golf park over there. Might see that in another video with someone else. Somewhere up there is the trailer park, and over there is the chapel in the parking lot. That area right there is where the Ark Park used to be. Rest in peace. There's the new park. There's some trees. That's the sky. Right up there is, yep, you guessed it, the sun. Yeah, it's kind of boring here. Anyways, I guess that'll do it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and comment what you think about these videos and how they're going. Anyways, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.